is a good thing. Guys, Google a lot of the big singers that have developed nodules.
Yeah. And right
the best,
now,
Dion, Celine Dion. She had a residency in Las Vegas.
Yeah.
And so the best of the best. She developed nodules. When I read that she developed nodules, I just went, if she develops nodules, anyone can.
Yeah.
It was like, whoa.
Mariah Carey, and I directly quote from one of her interviews, she said that I've had nodules my whole life, I never treated them, and I just kind of learned to sing around them. So what a nodule is, it's basically a blister that becomes a callus on your vocal folds, like roughly.
I just want to go, I'll give you a little bit more detail about that. A blister is actually a hemorrhage. That's when you haven't done anything for a long time, and you go off and you sing for 3 hours, you develop a blister on your vocal cords, then the next day you go and do the same thing, you take that skin off and it hemorrhages and it's like a blister. So that's what they call a hemorrhage. That's how hemorrhages developed. Nodules are like a callus on my hand here from working out in the garden without any gloves. So this skin is developing on my hands here. That's exactly what a nodule is. So it's your vocal cords banging together, and as a protection mechanism, they develop hard warts. They look exactly like warts, guys. You can Google it, and they look like warts.
Look up on YouTube. There are a lot of videos of people with nodules, of different
famous people
stages.
with nodules.
Yeah.
Famous people with nodules. You can go and see famous people's nodules.
Look up some laryngoscopies. It's a fascinating video to see how everything works on the inside and what nodules actually look like, and what vocal fold hemorrhage looks like.
Yes.
And right now, thanks to the beautiful doctors and scientists, the prognosis in generally is very, very good. So if you feel that you get some physical damage, something that wasn't there before, that your voice is not like as it was before, probably makes sense to go to a doctor and figure out what's happening there, because they will shove a camera up your nose and see exactly what's happening in there.
Yes, or down your throat, depends on what you'd go and do.